Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixing Expert. In today's video, we're diving into the world of interior design. We'll be exploring the 5 biggest mistakes that could be making your home feel a bit, well, less than luxurious. But don't worry, because I've got some fantastic solutions to help you turn things around and elevate your space. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Now, let's jump right into it. One of the most common mistakes in interior design is overlooking the importance of lighting. Poor lighting can instantly make a room feel dull and uninviting. To fix this, consider a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting. Add stylish floor lamps, pendant lights, or even LED strips to create layers of light that enhance the atmosphere of your space. Next up, let's talk about scale and proportion. Sometimes, we fall into the trap of buying furniture or decor items that are either too large or too small for the space. This can throw off the balance of the room and make it look awkward. The solution: measure your space carefully and choose furniture that fits the scale of the room. Don't be afraid to mix different sizes for visual interest, but always keep the proportions in mind. A cluttered space can instantly cheapen the look of your home. It's crucial to strike a balance between personal touches and a clean, organized environment. Invest in stylish storage solutions like baskets, shelves, or cabinets to keep your belongings out of sight. This not only makes your space look more polished but also creates a calming atmosphere. Color is a powerful tool in interior design, and neglecting it can be a big mistake. Avoid using too many contrasting colors that clash or overwhelm your space with overly bright hues. Stick to a cohesive color palette that complements your style and the overall theme of your home. Adding pops of color through accessories or accent walls can create visual interest without overpowering the space. Last but not least, neglecting the details can undermine your efforts to create a sophisticated home. Pay attention to small elements like hardware, switch plates, and even the quality of your textiles. Upgrading these details with stylish and high-quality options can make a significant difference in the overall aesthetic of your home. There you have it, the 5 biggest interior design mistakes that could be cheapening your home and, of course, how to fix them. Remember, creating a beautiful and inviting home is all about paying attention to the details and making thoughtful choices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with anyone who might need a little design inspiration. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating!
Thank you.